Biryani is a popular and flavorful Indian rice dish made with aromatic basmati rice, tender meat or vegetables, and a variety of spices. Here's a basic recipe for making chicken biryani. Ingredients: 500 grams basmati rice, 750 grams chicken, cut into pieces. You can also use mutton, beef, or vegetables for a vegetarian version. 1 cup yogurt, 2 large onions, thinly sliced, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/2 cup chopped mint leaves, 1/2 cup chopped cilantro, coriander leaves, 4 cups water, 1/4 cup ghee or vegetable oil, whole spices, 2-3 bay leaves, 4-5 cloves, 4-5 green cardamoms, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1-2 black cardamoms. Biryani masala: 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric, and chili powder. Saffron strands soaked in 1/4 cup warm milk, for the saffron layer. Fried onions, optional, for garnish. Salt to taste. Instructions: rinse the basmati rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for 30 minutes and then drain. Marinate the chicken with yogurt, half of the chopped mint leaves, half of the chopped cilantro, half of the fried onions, if using, and half of the biryani masala. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, heat the ghee or vegetable oil. Add the whole spices, bay leaves, cloves, cardamoms, cinnamon, black cardamoms, and sauté for a minute until they release their aroma. Add the sliced onions and cook until they become golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for another minute until the raw smell disappears. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil starts to separate. Add the marinated chicken and cook for about 5-7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the chicken changes color. Meanwhile, in a separate pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add the soaked and drained rice along with some salt. Cook the rice until it's about 70-80% cooked. Drain the water from the rice. Layer the partially cooked rice over the chicken in the large pot. Sprinkle the remaining chopped mint leaves, cilantro, and fried onions, if using, over the rice. Drizzle the saffron milk over the top to create a saffron layer. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook on low heat for about 20-25 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked and the chicken is tender. Once done, gently fluff the biryani with a fork and serve hot with raita or salan, spicy gravy, on the side. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken biryani. Remember, this recipe can be adapted for other types of biryani by replacing the meat with vegetables or other proteins.